Christmas will never be the same.
Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his little elf crew. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, and his reindeer too. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. You know what to do. Twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa, twerk the Santa. Just twerk it the Santa.
Twerking is the Santa, gotta twerk it like this.
Watch out, world, I'm grown now.
But that is okay.
What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Will on a Whim. What? I never was able to do crisscross episodes. This is kind of difficult. My shoe came off. That's fine. I am going to LA in the morning.
I run LA. I run LA. I run LA.
Because I'm going to go see Chloe and Halle in concert December 4th at the Fonda Theater. That's right, Beyonce's rumored actual children.
What'd you say?
I didn't even pack yet. I do this every single time.
When will you learn?
I forgot, y'all. I forgot that this concert was like literally tomorrow. I gotta pack. Let me take this other one off because that's unnecessary. I can be your poppy flower, poppy flower. Hey, poppy flower. Hey, what y'all know about that? Y'all don't know nothing about no Chloe and Halle. Their voices, when they open up their mouths, it might as well just sound like... Like there's no need for them to come out here and slay us like that. I'm angry.
Are you upset?
I got my trusty luggage in here, but wait. Another luggage.
I'm packing my bags.
It was a big old luggage sale at my local JCPenney's. Just back off, okay? Just get out of here. Bye. We got this little cutie pie right here. We're gonna fill it with stuff that we need to put on our bodies. I'm not walking around LA naked. This video is gonna give you an idea of what I pack for trips, which... First, I start off by making a list. It is every single thing that I need for the trip. Hair, gotta have stuff for my hair. But this trip is literally only for like a day and a half. I'm gonna be doing a wash and go actually tonight.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So hair stuff, I'm not gonna need products, but I will need accessories like this. I've had this for over a year now. It's a satin lined cap. I just put this joint right on up there, just like that. Not just like that, you know what I'm talking about. I'll just pop this on if I'm like gonna go to bed.
Sir, are you okay?
Like that. That's me. That was me sleeping. This.
What is that? What is that? Wait.
This is a scarf that I've had literally since 2014. Smells like the Obama administration. And I'll just use this when I go to bed. So I'm gonna pack these two things. I don't really need anything else. I'm gonna be taking like some loose rubber bands and maybe this bandana that I have on right now. But that's pretty much it for hair. Nah, I lied.
Liar!
Always bring a mirror. This is a little hand mirror that I got from the dollar store. You might wake up thinking that you cute in the front.
And ugly and unattractive.
Get one of these so you can see what's going on back there. If my trip was lasting a week, 2 weeks, then I'd bring some stuff for my hair. This because it's cheap and easy to use and it works in a variety of situations. Just a leave-in conditioner, they call it a styler as well because it's supposed to give you definition, but it doesn't really do that for me.
I don't like it.
Sometimes the smell just catches you off guard, but it does smell good. I also take this Wetline Extreme Gel. I just stocked the heck up. These two together never fail me. I can do a wash and go anywhere in the world. Actually, can y'all come down here? Like, I want y'all to be down here for a second. Skincare. I'm gonna clean my face, I wanna moisturize. And to clean my face, I use this daily. This I cannot live without. It's a good little exfoliator. It cleans my face. It's a 2-in-1. I've been using this for years, I swear by it. I cannot not use it, period. You and me to the end, baby girl. After I use this, I always go in with this witch hazel. This has really done it for me. This is the thing that really stopped the pimples from coming. Like, I don't know if y'all can really see or not, but like my face really has been clearing up.
Girl, sit down, sweetie.
I'll take some of this and I'll take some of these cotton pads that I buy in bulk off of Amazon. Pour one on there, just wipe around, and it really just finishes off the cleaning job after I use this stuff. After this witch hazel, I'll take this witch hazel because this one is more of a moisturizer and it got rose up in that thing. It smells so good. I'm gonna put some on right now. The past month or two, I've been using this dark spot corrector from Skin Fix. This is like one of those expensive products that you wouldn't think would work, but then it does work.
Yeah, you're right. Let me try.
Or at least it has for me, and I don't skip a day. On this trip, I'm also taking my body wash, which I use this Harry's body wash. I used to use Suave for men or whatever it was, but
Disgusting.
this one smells so good, and it doesn't have all those like crazy chemicals in it, you know? See, that's the thing. Me packing for any kind of trip is mostly just like hygiene products. It's less about the clothes and more about the hygiene. So I also pack my toothpaste, Pronamel. This is that stuff your grandma might use, but that's because your grandma's teeth is falling out. So she uses something like this that'll protect her. I'll take some Listerine, which I actually just have this small bottle here that I just keep filling up with this. I bring this deodorant. I really would like to switch over to a more natural deodorant. So if you have any recommendations, girl, put them down below. We also bring that Carmex. After I brush my teeth, I don't know about y'all, but my mouth be dry. Not my mouth, my lips. And I also bring this little brush that I use for my beard. And that's pretty much it. Now let's talk about the clothes. What am I gonna wear? This is the hard part. Picking clothes for a concert. I'm not the type to dress up like...
From top to toe, it's a mess.
But that's not to say that I don't like to dress up. I have a whole bunch of stuff here that I want to wear, but I'm only traveling for 1-2 days. I want to pack an airport outfit. You need to be agile. Going through security is like training for the special ops. You got to be able to take off your shoes in record time, undo that belt, take off your jewelry, empty your pocket, bow your head with stunning speed because they're undoubtedly going to pet your hair. A lot of reaching when you're traveling, into your bags, take out your laptop. So you have to have an airport outfit that's going to be comfortable, but also gives you full range of motion. Jeans. These babies are so comfortable. They're from Old Navy. They're the skinny jeans and they have like the built-in flex. They just cut my booty in the right place. They last a pretty long time. They're kind of warm. I can wear this walking around LA. I can do a whole bunch of stuff in this. Everything minus dance at a concert. So I'm not wearing this to the concert. All black is always a mood, especially at an airport. When I see somebody in all black, I'm like, who is that? If you don't know, I do have sweatshirts out. They do say split ends are like fake friends. Cut them off, baby. They're real cute. They're real comfy. I'll link them down below. But this is also great for the airport because it's warm. I can wear a black shirt underneath. If it gets too warm, I can take this off. Also, it's always a good talking point. Every time I'm out, somebody will always be like, oh my God, that's so funny. Proceeds do go to help foster kids with curly hair. Airport outfit, damn. I want to take these Doc Martens with me. I am obsessed. I've been looking for a black boot. It's a black boot. I got a black boot. But if I didn't have space in this luggage, I would just wear these. But I do have space, so I don't gotta wear these. These are obviously harder to take on and take off while you go through security. Now, as a day outfit, walking around, I have a few options. I have these pants. They're striped. They fit really well. And I can't believe they're still this clean. I got these real cheap from Forever 21 on the clearance rack. And I'm prepared to wear these until I'm 99 years old. No. I don't know what I would wear with it though. Like what shirt? I could do this cute little green number from Gap that definitely needs to be ironed. Themed something. I could do this turtleneck. That's what I could do. This cute little black turtleneck that I got from Zara the last time I was in New York. I hope it never gets cold, but it does get a little bit chilly. So I'm probably gonna bring this cute little peacoat, like lumberjack number. Is he gonna go chop wood? I don't know and I don't care. It's cute and it's warm. I could also wear the turtleneck underneath this. That would be a cute little situation. Actually, ooh yeah, that actually sounds, come through hanger. You better model.
I don't know, I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like I can't take the pressure of it. But don't you think any job interview...
And I could also wear the black jeans with this. Like very simple, very easy. But if I don't want to wear the black jeans, I also have these cute striped pants that I thrifted. That'd be kind of cute too, I ain't gonna lie. Although it might be too pattern heavy, so I don't know. If I was going out to the club or going out to get drinks, I'd wear something a bit more like cool. I got these cute jogger pants from Forever 21. They taper in at the ankle. They serve me like futuristic, Kim Possible. They make my legs look really long. I feel like a spy. With that, I'd probably wear this. It's like a mesh sweater shirt. Great for something like the club and a place that's like mildly chilly. There's ventilation, but it's also made of this material that's kind of warm. And if you catch me in the light, you might be able to see a little bit of nip. Now, as for the concert, what am I gonna wear? I'm definitely gonna wear this cute little jacket. I've been wearing this to the grocery store, to the post office. Subdued, chic. It's just cute. So I'm definitely gonna have this be part of my outfit for the concert. And I'll probably wear either these plaid pants because these let you shake your booty. They're cute, they're comfortable. They taper in at the ankle. They give me the silhouette that I want. But there's also these pants. Look at that print. And they fit and feel sort of the same as the plaid ones. The plaid I probably wear with this little turtleneck, whereas with these pants, I'd probably pair it with this green number. Either way, we pairing it with these shoes. I adore. I got it from ASOS. They were like $19. They're real basic. Now you do gotta break these in.
That shit hurting.
Or I can wear these little babies. These are a bit more hipster, a bit more dressy, you know? I don't know. I gotta figure it out soon because it's getting late. Also, very quickly, my in-flight experience is very important to me. Something just to keep your mind off the fact that you're in a hunk of metal above the clouds. So I like to carry with me these Bose noise-canceling headphones. These babies will cancel all kinds of noise out. Screaming babies, flight attendants, peanuts. Also, it makes like listening to music more fun, so boom. And I also like to take with me a good old book. Right now I'm reading Death, Fires, Dances. It's a mystery. It's very fun. So there's that. I also like to bring snacks with me, but I gotta go to the store for that. I usually get like trail mix or something. That's it. As far as accessories, I'm gonna bring these cute glasses.
Oh my God, yes!
And my glasses from Key, Australia. Key is like a really cute little brand. It's spelled Quay, but it's pronounced Key.
I don't understand. I swear to God, I don't understand.
Either way, I'm obsessed with these glasses. They're so cute.
None of my business. It's none of my business.
These are actually really cute, and I very rarely get to wear them because I always forget that I have them. I have way too many glasses at this point. It's insane. I also have these earrings that y'all ask me about all the time. I'll link them down below. They're real cute. I mean, right now they're off the hoop, but these are super cute. I also have this one. It's just a bar. These little dangly earrings really just give you like the edge, you know? Speaking of edge, I'm bringing insanity. I'm gonna pack all this stuff into the suitcase. I gotta go to the gym real quick, come back, wash up, do my hair, and then tomorrow, hopefully, we got a travel vlog. So stay tuned for that. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big old thumbs up. And if you wanna stick around, be my friend, be my homie, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat, and my second YouTube channel, WillOnAWhim More, so that you can, you know, stay updated. Hope to see y'all back here real soon for another episode of WillOnAWhim, but until then, bye.